Some of them have a lot of experience, others are just fresh out of university. But all of these journalists wanted to go to this summer school organised by the European Science Media Hub and learn how to better report on a very specific topic: climate change. At 24, Marie-Flore feels she lacks knowledge on the subject.
I decided to come here because I'm a freshly graduated journalist and I feel like I've got the technical tools to practice, but I need some focus on how I can include climate change in every stories I will be covering in the future.
The European Science Media Hub is a project of the European Parliament's Panel for the Future of Science and Technology, STOA. Its members want to put science evidence at the heart of the public debate. So hosting this summer school seemed the right thing to do at this moment, when the climate crisis is on top of the political agenda.
We make an offer to journalists to have a discussion about how to present complex issues like climate change. It is complex because we're not just reporting on climate change, we're reporting on the interrelation between economics, climate change, political decisions.
A complex topic where journalists face a number of particular challenges. As the content editor of a network which aims at helping journalists develop their coverage on climate change, Catherine Dunn knows them too well.
We hear from a lot of the members that the first challenge is really in their own newsroom. So it's those conversations you have with your editor when you're trying to get them to put resources behind you. And it's that there's a big perception a lot of the time that people don't click on climate stories.
To address all these challenges of covering climate change as well as other topics, the European Science Media Hub wants to support journalists by providing better access to sources and seminars.